I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install R on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So let's open the terminal. So first, they're going to write this command sudo apt get update. Give their password. So this is now updating. And the next command, so with the help of this sudo apt-get install rbase, so with the help of this command we can install R inside the Ubuntu. So this here you can see or this all that's come there. Let's write the Y and press enter. So this here currently getting this and 50% that's done. And here some download process is going on. For this one, it should be connected because this is doing some download. And after that, this will start doing the installation. Now you can see after waiting a few second times here, this all that's come there. So are that successfully installed? Let's use the create command. If I write r minus minus version, so you can see 4.52 that install. And if I write there r, then you can come inside the R console. Then you can do any calculation there. You can write any query. Okay, so there you can write any query. So this is how we can do the installation of R inside the Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.